So good evening po. So the question is, how do you see the relevance of the church in its engagement in the societal issues in the Philippines? So for me, kung yung issue sa Philippines is yung kahirapan, nakikita ko yung engagement ng simbahan sa pamamagitan ng pagtulong sa mga mahihirap na mamamayan, sa pamamagitan ng ng scholarship or allowance sa pag-aaral. So natutulungan nila yung mga mamamayang Pilipino para makapagtapos ng pag-aaral at maabot yung mga kanilang pangarap. So sa pamamagitan ng scholarship is natutulungan nila yung ibang mahihirap na tao. Then kapalit ng scholarship is gumagawa ng community service yung mga taong tinutulungan na para sa scholarship. Then yung sa about allowance naman is may monthly allowance yung mga school or yung church para sa mga mag-aaral na nagsisipag makapagtapos ng pag-aaral. So next question, as a student, how can you engage yourself with the people or community with regards to doing what is morally right? So I engage myself with the people or community by active participation in community like volunteering, then advocacy and awareness. So I can use platform like Facebook or social media to raise awareness on social justice issues such as human rights, and I will engage in ethical conversation. So engage in conversation with friends, family, and peers about the importance of morality in society, such as integrity, honesty, and respect for others. So being a voice of reason, can I inspire others to reflect on their actions? And lastly, living by example. So perhaps the most important way to engage with the community is by living your values.